The first one was there, but I didn't want to get it because I want to support them on the full one. But it's like I want the first one, but it's like I don't have money. Okay, I just spent like $78 on these 3 albums alone, so there's that. We're gonna throw that tag right there. Is there like a blue one of this one? I think there is, but they didn't have it. They only had the green one, and everybody snatched all the blue ones, so it's like they did it just like ATs, like this. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. So at first, we got some glasses. Everything is red. Everything is red. Okay. Oh, girl. Can't. I got my Yeonjun. The bias, baby. This is bias. Yeonjun is my bias. Okay. Since TXT debuted, I went through 3 biases before I could ever find my first one. When it was the teasers came out. It was Choi... Subin. It was Subin first when the teasers came out, and then I looked at Yeonjun and I was like, no. And then I saw Beomgyu when more stuff came out, and then I was like, okay, Beomgyu is my bias. Beomgyu is my bias. And then after like Cat and Dog came out, or like The Crown came out, it was Yeonjun. He like took my heart. And like I am more of like a vocalist and like a dancer type of bias. Like I have a lot of vocalists as my bias, but it's when a rapper comes up in my bias list, it's like girl is going down, because Taeyong is my only rapper / vocalist in my bias list, and so is Yeonjun. And then Beomgyu, my bias worker, bro. That really came in clutch, bro. My bias worker. And then Taehyun. It's so hard to say it without the G, because like you don't want to say, oh my god, they got little sticky notes. Anyway, you don't want to say Taeyong, because it's not Taeyong, it's Taehyun. Yeah, there's that. Little weekly card, weekly card. And these little things, I have no idea what these are. I'm just not going to take them out of the package, period. And that. Anywho, my sister interrupted me again, so it's like, and this is... I don't know which album I'm gonna put in my car, because I have this Super M album in my car right now, and I've been having it in there since like their tour, which I saw in like November. It's been a hot minute, so I gotta change my albums out. I talk way too fast when I'm excited. I want to get a CD disc holder thingy so I can like, put it in my car, but I'm not gonna leave it in my car because these CDs are too precious. Because I have a 2003 Ford Focus. Don't have an aux cord. So I have to use CDs. That's why I buy the albums, because I have to use CDs, and I can't use my phone because it's not loud enough. I want to bump to that shit. Anywho, when we first look up into here, look at these little schoolboy outfits. Oh my god, the gym outfits. Yeonjun with the blue hair. I knew something was going on when he got that blue hair. This is an amazing album. It's like a little book, and it's so cute. So you don't have to like bend and break the pages, and it's like, girl. Beomgyu. Yeonjun is like 2 months older than me. He's born in September, and I'm born in October, and of the same year. So he's older than me by 2 months, and then Mark is older than me. No wait, but Yeonjun is older than me by a month. Mark from NCT is older than me by 2 months. There we go. Cola. They love me. So we're gonna skip over you, big boy, and we're gonna. Where's the CD in the back of the book? Yeah, it's in the back of the book. I like how they put the photo cards in the front so we don't have to keep looking for it. Oh my god, he got little boo-boos on him. Get yourself together, sir. Who's beating you up? That is not okay. Get a bag. I like how they put the word nasty on top of that. Well, he's nasty. When the angel and devil, I still haven't reacted to that, but I need to do that. Subin with his beautiful ass black hair. King. Can you close your legs? What are you? Boy, you don't stop right now. Is he like 6 foot? If my 5'3" ass stood next to his ass, I would be cowered over. 5'3" is not that short, but it's like short. It was weird how they're next to toilets. Those toilets better be clean, I swear. Okay, Taehyun. And I can just skip it. Now that's fine. More Yeonjun. Look at that little cake, boy. Little cake. Oh, he looks so sad. And Anyway, I'm just like speeding through this because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. Because I already saw the other stuff. I love blue. My favorite color is blue. That's why I wanted the blue album, but I just got the green one because I didn't want to wait too long. And somebody would have snatched them up, and I would have been so mad. I want Hyun and Kai to get a mullet. End of discussion. End of discussion. He can have the floofy hair thing that Jungkook was gonna try to grow out, but they had to chop it off, and I was mad. And I was really mad. New rules. Okay, this is all their songs together. Yeah, there's nothing else in here except for all their songs. So that's that album. I'm so excited for the Superhuman album because I saw them acting for in April, and they released Superhuman and Highway to Heaven on the concert. I was so excited. That was like, whoa, what is this? What is this?